Dear students, what is the difference between the standard level and basic level of CBSE mathematics in class 10th board examination? In this video, we can identify what is the difference between these two levels of examination. Before we go to identify the differences, first we have to understand what is the need of these two levels of examination. The CBSE try to reduce overall students' stress levels. It is well known that students experience greatest stress before and during the time of examination, especially the subject mathematics, because many students they consider this subject is the most difficult for them. So this is the reason behind the conversion of two levels of examination. And what is mathematics standard examination? Really, the standard mathematics examination is the level same as the older one. Before 2020, there were only one paper for mathematics. The same paper now it is called as mathematics standard. The standard level for students who wish to opt mathematics at senior secondary level, which means after 10th standard, if any student likes to continue the study in the subject mathematics, they want to opt mathematics standard. This is the main thing we need to understand about mathematics standard. And now mathematics basics. Mathematics basics for the easier level of examination. So the basic level would be for the students not keen to pursue mathematics at higher levels. So the students, if you are not going to opt mathematics in your higher studies, it is better to select mathematics basic, because which will be much easier than mathematics standard. So there is a chance to get more score in mathematics basics. Same time, if anyone is going to study the subject mathematics after 10th standard, they must select mathematics standard. Now we can think of what are the differences in these two levels. Firstly, you have to note that the subject code of mathematics standard is 041. Note it. Because wherever it is required to enter, you don't forget that your subject code, if it is mathematics standard, it is 041. Same time, mathematics basics subject code, it is 241. Now, what are the type of questions we can expect from mathematics standard? There will be the questions based on concept based questions and application level questions. That means HOTS may be there. So all levels of questions we can expect in mathematics standard. Same time, the nature of questions in basics, there will be direct questions, just to check the minimal level of learning which is required from class 10th. And the third and important point you should note in your mind, standard subject, the difficulty level is tougher than basics. Same time, the mathematics basics, its difficulty level is easier than mathematics standard. So these are the main differences we have to understand. And one more, it is very important point. If you study mathematics standard, then only you can go for higher studies with the subject mathematics. This is very important, you should note it. Now we can check other all points. What are the points we have to keep in our mind? The syllabus, classroom teaching and internal assessment for both. That means standard, or if it is basic, it will be same. That means syllabus, there is no change for basic level or standard level. So the selection of level is depending upon their aptitude and abilities. If you are interested in this subject mathematics and you have good aptitude in this subject, surely you want to select mathematics standard. A student will have the right to choose between the two levels between the two levels of examination at the time of submission of LOC. LOC means list of candidates by the affiliated schools to the board online. So before it is going to send, you need to select your level of examination, either mathematics standard or mathematics basics. So here I explained a few points. After that, there is a chance, for example, one who appeared for the mathematics basics and later he feel that I want to change my subject. We know that there will be compartment test, but nowadays the COVID situation, how it will happen, it is also a question. Even though there is a condition which is given that if you selected at first mathematics basics and later you are thinking that you need to study mathematics in your higher studies also, such cases you can write compartment test and you can prefer mathematics standard. If you pass in the exam mathematics standard, again you can go for higher studies in mathematics. This is also one of the option. So once again I remind you, this COVID pandemic situation, how it will happen we can't predict, even though these are the criterias in the case of mathematics basics and standard. So if a student is appeared for mathematics standard and if he failed in the examination, then he is thinking that he want to get a much easier question paper, then during the time of compartment test he can prefer mathematics basics. If he pass in basics, the same conditions will be there, he can't study mathematics in higher studies. So these are the main points we have to note in the case of mathematics basics and standard. I think now it is clarified. If you have any more doubts, you can contact us and you can clarify that. Okay, thank you.